Hello and welcome back to DIY Nanny channel. Today I want to create a few things to add into our play food area. Just some ideas that I had for a while now and didn't have the time to actually make them, and I'm hoping to accomplish it this week. The only thing is it's not necessarily things that works together. I mean, they're all meant for the play food area, but it's not like a big hack or a big build with little details that works together. Usually when I do things like that, when I add little crafts or fix some things, I share it on my Instagram, but I know that not everybody's watching here are on my Instagram, so I thought I'm just gonna put it together in a video. And also I wanted to give you a tour of what the play food area looks like now. You can check out all of the videos that related to our play food area and see all the furnitures and food that I made, but I kind of wanted to give a tour about all of it together, how it looks together, how we play with that, things that I changed. So this is what we're gonna do in this video. Before we begin, if you're new here, welcome. I'm the DIY Nanny and I share DIYs, craft, and little hacks that I create in the playroom for the kids. You can check out the rest of my videos, and if you like them, please hit that subscribe button. Now let's begin. I'm going to make starts with a story. So a few months back we got a food delivery into the house, and part of it came in a very cute and small delivery box. After we unload the groceries, we took it down to our play market and we played with that as a delivery box. And it was really fun. The only thing, it was made out of paper, so it got ruined in about a week. Ever since then, I was thinking about creating something for delivery for our play supermarket. My first idea was just to find a wood crate, and that would be it, and it will be durable. I couldn't find something that I was pleased with. I went to Michael. There were a lot of really small options or very big ones. The ones that were kind of in the right size for me was expensive and heavy, and I didn't want to get those. And then yesterday I went to Target, and in the clearance section I saw this little picnic basket. It was only $5, and I know it's not a wood crate, but because our market is kind of like a farmer's market and it's fun, I thought that could be a cute solution for it. It's the right size, it's not heavy, it has a handle, so it's really easy to walk around with that with groceries inside. So I got two of them, and I wanna make our supermarket logo, the one that I put on the grocery bags in my supermarket makeover a long time ago, on top of this. I'm a bit afraid because the surface is not flat. I'm not sure how it's going to end up, but I'm going to try. I'm going to use removable vinyl just because, first of all, I want to do it black, and this is what I have in black, but also it's really hard weeding permanent vinyl. And it's, if you remember the logo, there's a lot of details on it, so I prefer to do it like this. I'm gonna do my best to make it look good on the surface, and when I succeed, I'm gonna go over with a little bit of Mod Podge just to seal it in so it doesn't peel very easily. So I have two of them. I already adjusted the logo size for this, and we're gonna cut it, weed it, and put it on our baskets. next thing I'm going to make is going to be super easy. I want to add some menus for our play kitchen. So with our play kitchen, a lot of the time we play family and just have breakfast, dinner, whatever with our babies. But a lot of the time we'll play restaurants, and I thought it could be cool to add some menus. So I'm gonna make a few menus. I'm just gonna print it and maybe laminate it with different foods, but I also going to add some empty menus. So just a room to write whatever you're selling and room for the price and maybe a little drawing. So if the kids want to have something different in the kitchen, they can write their own menu for the restaurant they're building. So I've made 3 menus, breakfast, dinner, and lunch. It's all with the food that we have in our play kitchen. And I'm gonna fold them, I'm gonna resize them a little bit, and I might laminate them. I kind of want it to last. I'll see. Resized all 3 of them, and I just remember I have contact paper here. I think it would be better, it would be easier to fold it with the contact paper rather than laminate it. So this is what I'm gonna put on to make sure it lasts. For the empty menus that the kids can draw by themselves, I just printed the name. They can draw the logo by themselves, and here I left everything empty for them. They can draw a little picture and write the name of the dish and the price. One last thing I wanted to fix up. I have this bucket with these flowers. I originally put it in when I decorated for Thanksgiving, and I thought the colors are very nice, and I left it as decoration, but also to sell it. And then I kind of left it for the whole year because it was kind of cute to sell flowers as well. Originally I put them in this cellophane bags. Some reason the only one left. I mean, I know the reason, they're playing with that a lot. So I want to kind of renew it. This time I think I'm gonna use these piping bags that I have because they're triangle shape, so I think it's gonna be cooler. And also I have some these like tissue paper squares. It's for art projects, so I thought I can put it inside in different colors. I'll add some other flowers, make it colorful, and then I'll give you the big tour. So let's start with our tour. So over the summer I built this IKEA cabinets right here for board game storage, and the supermarket that was here on this wall moved to this wall right here. So basically all of our food play area was in this corner right here, and after I built the cabinets I shifted it to this wall mostly. We used to have open shelving here with some toys, and I removed the shelves. We still need to remove the poles right here, and it will be easier to maneuver when we'll do that, but it's working for now. This is how it's set up basically when we're not playing. So this is how it is when we clean up. You still have access to play like this, to the kitchen, the refrigerator. You can move the cart and get into the supermarket, but this is mostly the setup when we're not playing, when it's organized and waiting for us to play. This is why I put the bakery on wheels. Also, our cart is on wheels, so I can move it out and open up the space, and then we can play. So I'm gonna do it right now, and then I'll give you a tour of everything, the way that we play with this. So like I said, the kids still play with that when it's all pushed to the walls, but I like to open it up like this for them, to give them access to everything, easier access, especially if there's other friends coming, play dates and stuff like that, and there's more kids, so it's easier for them to move around like this. We're gonna start from this corner. Used to have our supermarket, now it's our kitchen / restaurant kitchen. We have the kitchen from IKEA, we have the island that I hacked, and our refrigerator right here. Let's open it up. It's supposed to light up. I need to charge it, I think. Yeah, I need to charge the light, but usually it lights up when we open it. It's holding on very nicely, as you can see. I did add to these on the doors some construction adhesive because I put it with command strip and it kept falling out. But it's holding on since then. Great. So this is our refrigerator. Then we have some cleaning supplies right here. They love playing with that. And our kitchen, I added some cups and plates and bowls from IKEA. I was wondering about these for a while because they're ceramic and I was afraid they're gonna break, but they're holding on pretty well. The kids are a bit older anyway, so they're very careful with that. So that's a lot of fun. I put the menus right here that I just made, because usually when we play restaurant, it's with the kitchen, so they can grab it from there. We still have some paper. I'm actually gonna switch this into actual parchment paper because it's kind of hard to use this one. I think parchment paper would be easier, and we do have our paper towels right here. And in our island, we have the big pens and balls, and we have some pens hanged right here. And in the drawer we have all of our utensils, probably in a bit of a mess. I didn't check this for a very long time, but yeah, we're gonna organize this. So I usually put it in front right here so they can access their spices, their pans, and everything to cook when they want to start. Right here is our supermarket in the new spot. So I put the baskets here that I just made for delivery. I might find a different spot for that, but for now, this is it. We have some breads here. This one is a bit empty because I moved all the sweets into the bakery. So we moved some things around. We had cakes here as well. So it's more airy now and have room for new stuff. Our pasta, our favorite pasta is here. We have the sign. I moved it down here because it kept falling off the hook. I tied something to put it on the hook and it didn't work out. So we have our bags here hanged, and on this hook I put this board, chalkboard, and I have here behind the flower the chalk and the letters if you want to change the chalkboard and the letter board. This is the new flowers, $3 guys, very nice. And right here we have our fruits and vegetables. So the pole is kind of in the way, but we're gonna remove it. I used to organize it by fruit and vegetables, but the kids were here playing on a playdate and they decided to organize it by color, and I'm like so down for it. I love rainbow systems. It makes me very happy, so I kept it like this. And we have some yogurts and milk and some drinks right here. Then we have our little dining set right here. You can check out this video as well. Everything is on my channel if you want to see how I made it. So I move it right here to the middle usually when we're playing, because then You can use it for everything. If you're playing like family in the kitchen or a restaurant, you can use it for it. Or if you're playing with the food carts, so we have like some ice cream and burgers and stuff in storage there. Or if you're playing with the bakery, then everyone can use this little dining set to eat whatever they make or buy. So right here we have our ice cream slash burger carts. It's selling ice cream right now, which is usually in the top drawer, and in the bottom we have all of our burgers if we want to switch it up. So we have room here for whoever's selling it to stand and to use their tools here, utensil, or write something on the board. And then we're moving up to our bakery. I'm so happy I put it on wheel and we can move it around. I moved all the sweets in here, and also on the bottom I have pizza. That's a spoiler. I'm thinking of making this a dual purpose store. I know that when I made it at the bakery, and that was only for all the cakes, because we have a lot of cakes and I wanted room to store them and another furniture to play with. But I'm thinking we can switch it up. I mean, it works fine with our cart here. When they want to switch it up, they just put everything back in the drawer, in the ice cream drawer, and bring out the burgers to sell. So I think we can do it here as well, especially because there is a lot of storage here. The bottom shelves are deeper, so you can put more stuff in. You can see the whole pizza box is in basically. So I'm thinking of kind of upgrading that as well at some point. But right now, it's just our little fall bakery. So this is it. This is our play food area. This is how we open it up to play. You saw how we're putting it when we're storing it, when we're cleaning up. It's really easy. I help them move the things around, obviously, but it's on wheels, so you just push it to the wall and clear this whole carpet to play with other things.